If you haven't seen our video on natural language searches, you may want to start there. This video will show more advanced users how to build a powerful search using Boolean operators. Boolean operators give you more control over how your search terms appear within your results, and thus will help you get more exact results. They are a good way to filter out any irrelevant results. In this example, we will be researching Texas cases about a burglary of a vehicle. Before any search, remember to select the correct jurisdiction. We will only want cases referring to Texas laws, so we'll click the Jurisdiction and Sources button to narrow our results. First, we will click on Texas as the state or territory we are researching for. Next, we will go in the Cases column to select Texas cases. Now we can start building our search. Let's start simple. We will use the AND operator to tell the database we would like to see cases that contain the word burglary and the word vehicle anywhere in the document. Note that because we're just saying these words have to be anywhere in the document, they could be unrelated to each other. Some of these results might be talking about a burglary of a house where a vehicle was used to flee the scene. Let's say that after you ran the search, you realize that there are lots of words for vehicle, like car and automobile. In order to make sure our results include those as well, because different writers may have a different choice of words, let's add the OR operator. Using parentheses lets you group instructions together. This search will return results that contain the word burglary and any of the following: car, automobile, vehicle. After reviewing these results, we might find that we're getting some false positives and want to filter out any results talking about the burglary of a building. To do this, we can use the NOT operator. Now, our search will return results that contain the word burglary and either car, automobile, or vehicle, but not the word building. As we mentioned before, just because the words burglary and vehicle appear in the same document, it doesn't mean they're related. To try to find cases where these words appear in relation to each other, we can use proximity operators. These tell the database that the words need to appear within the same sentence or within a certain number of words of each other. This will give us a higher probability that they're related. Let's search for these words in the same sentence and see what we get. You'll see in the results are keywords in bold. Note that some of the results use the phrase burglary of a vehicle and some use burglary of a motor vehicle. Fastcase will also let you search for an exact phrase by putting it in quotation marks. Note that if we search for burglary of a vehicle, we'll miss out on all of those results that use the phrase burglary of a motor vehicle. That would be a good situation for a proximity operator, to say that you want the words to appear near each other, but not in an exact phrase, since there's some variation about that phrase. If you want all variations of a word, you can use the STEM operator to tell the database how you'd like the word to start. Entering burglar with a star at the end will return burglary, burglarize, and burglarized. A good way to use these operators is to start simple and adapt your search by adding new terms to refine your results. You can use any combination of these operators to build a powerful and precise search.